Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the brick tickets in new Modular Street event in Heartopia. So Heartopia just released the Modular Street event where you can join special activities that are hosted by NPC, or even you can just start it yourself. But if you want to host your own event, you will need 20 brick tickets like this. Like this. This one you can see it, you need 20 brick tickets. And luckily, getting brick tickets is actually pretty easy. First method, you can just get them from the event quest rewards. Like this, you can get it from the completing quest on here, catch brick insect, and then in here, catch 5 brick fish. Over here, just completing the quest, and you will get the 20 brick tickets. And the second method is by doing event activities like fishing, insect catching, and bird watching, and make sure you do them at these spots that have special event fish, insect, or birds. And whenever you successfully catch an event creature, there's a chance you will also get brick tickets as a bonus rewards. Like this, I once got brick tickets after catching a special event fish like this, the brick fish. So basically, just keep practicing in the Modular Street activities and you will collect tickets pretty quickly. And okay, that's how you can get the brick tickets in Heartopia. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!